Here's a Trane XL1200 super high efficiency Weathertron heat pump. Air hammers in the attic with figures. Model TWX048C1100A. Manufacturing date June 1995. Model number again is TWX048C100A1. Serial is K18234063. And this was made before something. Oh look, this is China on it. Not the air conditioner, the electrical disconnect. Yeah, it says it's a heat pump, and it's got Trane's signature. Watch my doodad on it. Yeah, that's a 4-ton unit, by the way. See if there's any other interesting things back here. It's a pretty big building, if I'm not mistaken. Some refrigerator stuff. Yeah. Let's see if there's any more stuff. This is at a Mexico, whatchamacallit, service station. I have no idea what kind of air handler it is. No, but yep. Here you have it, a Trane XL1200. And I don't want to get caught because look at all the freaking cars. I'm alright, over now.